work consists of cutting, welding, and adapting metal parts in large vehicles, trucks, for instance. I usually use an angle grinder to cut metal parts. The problem with angle grinders is that they can be uncomfortable when trying to access certain areas. But with this one, this is not a problem. If I need to cut between the axles with the angle grinder, it's almost impossible. With a battery power recip, so I start and I cut easily. Good problems require big solutions. The blade is quite robust. It can be used to cut very thick metal materials like the ones I work with. 10mm thick profiles or 12mm thick plates. The tips of the teeth are made from very hard metal, carbide. Being of carbide, the blade stays sharp for longer, which means I can spend more time cutting. With a conventional blade, it's more difficult for me to cut hard materials and it wears out much faster. The blade isn't very flexible, it's sturdy. This gives it stability. It shakes less. The teeth are, as I said, one to the left, then to the right, the other one to the left again. This prevents the saw from snagging and also allows for better evacuation of the material. When a truck is brought to me to repair, because let's say it suffered a collision, there may be traces of fuel, grease, flammable liquids. Since I can't disassemble the piece because it's distorted due to the collision, I need to cut directly on the truck. And of course, there can't be any sparks. With this one, I work without any sparks, so I use it without worrying that something might burn. I buy it basically for its durability, its resistance, and obviously for its speed.